everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought, you know what, the Disney Wish, Captain Minnie, I am so excited. It's funny because for many, many years I said I didn't think I would ever want to go on a cruise, and the Disney Wish looks so beautiful, and I think I could probably do maybe a 3-day if I had the kids and the family with me. So I thought today it would be really fun to go ahead and just for fun. Again, I don't do anything with these except for draw them and have fun with them. So I thought I would draw a picture of Captain Minnie. And I thought, you know, how fun is this? This could be used as like a card that you could give to your kids and say, hey, surprise, we're going on a Disney cruise. Or something to that effect. So I think it's really fun. I love being able to show off some of my art skills. I love being able to hand draw all this, and again, you can see I'm drawing it with just a black ink pen. I love drawing that way, and then I do all my cleanup post-production on my online software. It's one of the things I love about my channel here on YouTube. I'm able to do quite a variety of different things. You know, I struggled for a long time deciding, do I just want to show me drawing? Do I just want to show some of the fun adventures? And what I realized is it's my personality. It's about me, and I want to be able to share all of that with you. I want to share, you know, the fun, let's go on rides and let's experience things. Let's be inspired by things we see or do. And so that's really the goal of my channel. Now, when I draw, what I do is I'll draw the art, and then I have an app on my phone, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorites. Downloaded it a long time ago. It's free, and it's called just the Simple Scanner. It'll scan high res, which is kind of nice. I do have a traditional scanner, and I do also draw on my iPad, but I like to kind of round robin, old school, just like an animator. So I drew up this whole image of Minnie Mouse, and now what I'm doing is scanning it. I'm going to put it into my computer, clean it all up, and then what I'll do is once I'm done, I'll actually go ahead and print this out, and I'll put it on a piece of cardstock so that I can actually color it. Now this Miss Sparkles, I got that from Joann's like 4 years ago. And I'm going to use it as the background because it's super simple, kind of looks like clouds, but has that same reminiscent feel of like a Disney moment. So here she is all cleaned up, and I printed her off. I realized I didn't draw a line across the bottom, so I figured I better do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my Copic markers, and I thought, you know what, let's just color her in. I love Copic markers, and I love being able to show, you know, all of this fun stuff and share, you know, being creative. So I hope it inspires you. I think it'd be really fun. Like, you don't have to know how to draw, but there's a lot of like coloring books that have some pictures of the characters that maybe you could turn that into a surprise card. I love surprising my kids with things on our Disney trips. Or even on any kind of a vacation, whether it be at the Wisconsin Dells, whether we go travel, you know, across the country, or whether we enjoy a Disney theme park, or even Universal. I love being able to give them little surprises along the way. And so for me, you know, now this one I drew only because I was really inspired by everything going on with the Wish. And if you have not seen the Wish yet, all you got to do is go on Instagram or YouTube or anywhere, and there's just pictures of it everywhere. First off, I am a huge fan of Flynn Rider and Rapunzel, and Rapunzel is on the back of the boat, so I love that. Best boat ever. And then the walkway when you first enter, oh my goodness. I've seen some videos. It just looks like such a magical moment. I love the color scheme in there. It's beautiful. It's bright. It looks really just filled with sunshine. I think it would be wonderful to be, you know, out on the open water with such beautiful sunlight pouring in. I saw a video and a picture where somebody posted there's an adults only pool on the upper one of the upper decks. I would just stay there and get chicken fried all day. So now when I'm coloring her in, I like to build up a lot of colors, so I'll always start with the lightest color first, and then we'll build it up from there. She's so cute. I'm so excited that Minnie is the captain of the Wish. Like, I love that. I think that's pretty cool. It'll be fun. I wonder if other characters will also become captains. You know, like, will there be Captain Daisy? And I don't know if I'd want to go on a boat captained by Goofy, but I just don't know, it would be end up like a, you know, a 3-hour tour. Don't know. So you can see I'm just putting in the black because I always like to, I feel like whenever I draw like a character like this, I always feel like once I put the black in there, it's like it just brings Minnie to life. You know, before she was just, you know, you could see the circles, but you color it in like that and she just looks so beautiful. So again, I love coloring, I love drawing. It's part of what I love to share on this channel, and I've got so much I've been working on. So if you haven't already, there's a little subscribe button in the corner of the video. It's like a little red little play button. It says subscribe. Go ahead and click on that. We would love to have you. My goal for the end of this 2022, I'd really love to be up to 5,000 people by the end of the year. It's so much fun, and it doesn't cost you anything. It literally just tells you, hey, by the way, Jessica uploaded a new video. So it's not, and it won't send you emails unless you choose for it to do that. So it's kind of nice. There's also, you know, if you just really like this video, we do love tips. There's a little, you know, tips on there if you want to do that. And all the money goes back to buy more art supplies and to take more adventures that I can share with you guys. So not required. Actually, what I love is when people share our videos. So if you love this video, just share it out. You know, tell other people come and take a look as well. So that would be really fun. All right, so we're going to start getting her all shaded in. And I wanted to give her some blush on her cheeks, but I just couldn't find the right color pink. So I just think I'm so afraid to do it and then be stuck with it and not love it. So we'll have to see if we revisit that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring her in, and then we will put together just a super, super easy card. I really like just kind of focusing on, you know, the drawing and coloring part of this. So I'll be back in just a few. I don't know if you watched the inauguration of the new ship, but when they went ahead and did that, one of the things I thought was really cool was that Mickey and Minnie were dressed in like sparkle versions of these coats. So they looked like they were all sequined up and sparkly. And that was so cool. If you haven't watched, definitely go check out the Disney Parks YouTube channel. They've got the video up there. Alright, so we're just putting a little gold on there. And the buttons, I couldn't tell exactly what they were, so I just did little circles on them. And again, I just draw all this for fun. I think that, you know, being able to show all of this is so much fun. And I am currently working on a whole bunch of new things, so this channel is going to get a lot of new videos. So again, I do thank you if you did subscribe. I appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. So. And once I get this all set, we're going to go ahead and add some shadows and highlights to that hat, and we are just about done coloring Minnie Mouse in. Oh my goodness, she looks so cute. I'm just going to do a little bit more sketching with the light gray just to make that white hat just pop a little bit more. I love Copic markers. They are so fun. It's almost like watercolor markers in a way. So now we're going to use this. There it is. Look at how cool that is. Doesn't it look kind of like clouds, but sort of like a grid pattern? So I really like it. It felt very kind of Disney-esque. So I'm just going to literally put this on as the background. So I'm going to put some glue down. And then we are going to put those clouds. And I like the fact that they're light blue on top and kind of darker blue purple at the bottom. So we're going to make sure we line it up at the top because that's really important. There we go. And poof. Perfect. Love this. Now I'm just going to cut off the excess paper. Grab a pair of scissors. Super easy. There we go. Poof. Done. One of the things I always suggest, just use a scissor to a nice little flat edge so it looks nice and crisp. Boom, there's our background. Now I printed Minnie off large enough for my original art that she's going to take up most of the card, so there won't be any sentiments or words or anything like that, but I could see a really cool, like if you drew like a little life preserver and you could put a, we're going on a Disney cruise. That could be really fun, like if you made a little larger card. Or it could be a really fun happy birthday card while you're on the cruise. Or this could be a really great card that you make that you give to your waiter. Because I've heard, I've never been on a Disney cruise, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I've heard you have the same like kind of people that take care of you the whole time. Like how fun would this be to give to them as just a hello, you know, as a thank you for, you know, taking such good care of you on the ship. So now I usually use a brother scan and cut, but this time I did not. So I hand fussy cut it out and I think it did pretty good. Now we're going to put her on there. Now I made her just a little too big. So I'm just going to try and trim some of these edges off. There we go. And then I may just sort of nip a little off her ear and a little off her sleeve of her coat. So we'll see how this kind of lays down once I get her on that card. I'm just putting some glue on. There we go. All right, let's see. Now, is it better just to cut off the ear, or is it better to cut the arm, or maybe just a little of both, because then she'll be right in the center. Love that. So let me just grab my scissors and we'll just snip a little bit. Boom, there we go. Never knew it was never there. Now watch how cool she looks. Look at that, it's perfect. Oh my goodness, I love it. See, and again, not too difficult, simple card. You could write in there, hey, we're going on a Disney cruise. Hey, you know, thank you for taking such good care of us, whatever. One of the things I always encourage, no matter what kind of card you're making, is always make sure you sign the back, right? I mean, we took the time to create this. You know, I took it from original art to scan to printed image to an actual card. I mean, totally fun. And again, this is just for fun. I did put a little bit of glossy accents on her eyes, which is so cool. If you've never seen it before, it just makes it look like she has like her eyes look glossy, like almost like they're looking at you. It's really cool. It's a cool feature. It's a cool way to do it. So again, I hope you enjoyed this card that I made. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Costs nothing. Just reminds you when a video is available. Don't forget to like this, and I would love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your favorite Disney cruise story. Talk me into why I need to go. I'll talk to you guys all later. Take care. Bye-bye.